Two New York nurses made $1.5 million in fake vaccine card scheme. Prosecutors say two nurses on New York's Long Island allegedly forged COVID-19 vaccination cards and entered the false shots in the state's database in a scheme that ranked in over $1.5 million, according to prosecutors. Julie DeVuono, 49, the owner and operator of Wild Child Pediatric Healthcare in Amityville, and her employee, Marissa Urraro, 44, were arrested Thursday, the Suffolk County District Attorney's Office said Friday in a news release. Both women were charged with one count of second-degree forgery. DeVuono was also charged with first-degree, offering a false instrument for filing, according to the release. DeVuono, a nurse practitioner, and Urraro, a licensed practical nurse, received COVID-19 vaccines, vaccination cards, and medical syringes from the New York State Department of Health. Prosecutors said they allegedly forged the official cards to indicate a vaccine was given to an undercover detective on one or more occasions, even though they never received a shot. DeVuono and Urraro are also accused of entering the false information into the New York State Immunization information system. See, that's what's gonna give them more prison time. I mean, it's one thing selling fake vaccination cards, right? But it's another when you enter in false data into a government website. Look at all that money, $529,000. Wow. This was November 11th, Veterans Day. Yeah. They charged $220 for adults and $85 for children for the false vaccination cards. Prosecutors said law enforcement officers seized $900,000 during a search of DeVuono's home, as well as a ledger that documented their profits in excess of $1.5 million from November 2021 to January 2022, according to the news release. DeVuono's attorney Barry Mack Smolovitz told NBC News on Monday morning that his client was arraigned Friday morning along with her employee. Both entered a plea of not guilty. He said he hasn't been given more than the complaint in the case. We are looking further into this, he said. Urraro's attorney Michael J. Alba said an accusation should not overshadow the good work Ms. Urraro has done for children and adults in the medical field. In today's uncertain times, courts are issuing rulings regarding the government overstepping their limits. What does that got to do with it? The government overstepping its limit. You entering false data about vaccination, and you talking about the government overstepping its limits. Because of this, now more than ever, it is so important that there is no rush to judgment in forming an opinion against a respected licensed practical nurse. We look forward to highlighting the legal impediments and defects in this investigation. Wow, real fancy words. Suffolk County District Attorney Raymond A. Tierney said in a statement, these individuals allegedly use their positions as licensed healthcare professionals to engage in criminal conduct for their financial benefit. I hope this sends a message to others who are considering gaming the system, that they will get caught and that we will enforce the law to the fullest extent, he added. The scheme was uncovered by members of the Suffolk County Police Department's DA squad assigned to Cheney's office with assistance from the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services and the New York State Department of Health. Well, what's troubling here is not only that, okay, they found a way to make money illegally, but what's even troubling is all these people walking around with fake vaccination cards who claim they were vaccinated. And this is an example of why this virus is still with us, and it's not going to go away soon. You know, because now you have adults and kids who claim to be vaccinated and they were never vaccinated. We're in a whole lot of trouble if this is the mindset. And this is all happening out in Suffolk County. Yeah, Suffolk County, Long Island. That's one part of the state that tends to be conservative. You see? So you figure it out. I'm not even going to get into the politics of it.